Okay, I don't have a whole lot to go over. I was just talking with your classmates here. Your final is on Wednesday, and it's right away in the morning. And for some of you, you don't leave this room because 6th hour, right away. General chemistry follows that right away. But that is on Wednesday. So we handed back your vocabulary evaluations, and I hate to erase this. This was pretty clever, I think. You do get it, right? I'll hit pause here and see if that, yes, it says class of 2024 up here. Even I made a simple mistake. I said needed to put sulfur up here again, because that threw me off, because here is the A and S, and then there's the other S, C, and L, and then of, atomic number, and atomic number. Clever, I know. Okay, so I'll go ahead and erase this. So for the rest of the time, I have no issues just saying, well, we only have 15 minutes left, but you have your vocabulary evaluations left. There's just general questions, and then probably, well, I shouldn't say probably, I think we want you to be able to explain the process of respiration, okay? So with every breath, and we can talk about this again on Monday, but in short, with every breath that takes place, there's a muscular expansion. What muscle contracts? Yeah, so we want to say something about this, and we'll go into more details. Okay? Because, again, this pulls down on the lungs, causes the volume to expand. Okay? So we'll just put expansion. When we say expansion, what is the volume doing when this happens? Is the volume increasing or decreasing? So the volume is going up. So therefore, according to Boyle's law, the pressure is going down. So the pressure is now below atmospheric pressure, so air flows into your lungs. We don't suck it in like a vacuum, okay? So the air flows in. Then after you've absorbed the oxygen in the capillary bed, with what structures, where does oxygen absorption take place? It has to be a blood vessel. That's the structure. What's the blood vessel? You're not wrong. Yeah, so there's a capillary bed or network surrounding those alveoli where oxygen gets absorbed, carbon dioxide gets released. So then after the expansion, and we'll just put like absorption of oxygen and release of CO2, the opposite of expansion would be contraction. And that happens one of two ways. So if the diaphragm is pulling down, what must it be doing to exhale then? If it contracts to breathe in, yeah, it just relaxes, okay? So we have contraction of intercostals, muscles, and diaphragm relaxes. Okay, so as that diaphragm relaxes, what is the volume doing inside the lungs? Volume is going down now. So then, according to Boyle's law, what is the pressure doing? Pressure is increasing because, again, it's an inverse proportion. So that increase is so high that it goes above atmospheric pressure, then air just is released. That, in short, is what we want you to be able to describe. So we're running short on time, so we will catch up to you next time.